Hello guys, welcome back. This is Kawaii World Part 2. So I will show you. Wait lang ah. Wala. Sorry guys. Kasi ano eh. Tingnan ito. So, ulit tayo flat. Nice kung sabihin sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng secret room. Sorry din guys ha, kasi ano eh. Wait lang guys. Sorry guys. So, I will show you the buildings hacks in Kawaii World. Are you ready guys? Let's begin. So, I need this and I need this and we need some we need some piston and or that, and I will this and what's that? So I will just gonna get this, yeah. So just need to spawn and tag. Oh no, not that. Okay, team. Sit. So now you are there. You are there, and I will just gonna get this. Oh wait. Oh no. No. This is just, yeah, no. So, and you are in here. And now I will. So is it guys. So how to make like that? Sorry doggy, sorry, I'm so sorry. So the next building. So I will show you. Where is it? And water. No, shit.
Oh, it's so high up here. Oh man.
Sorry about that, guys. So let's back to beginning. We need some water. This, yeah, and this.
Ito, oh. Balikan mo na lang mga pangalan nito. Ito, oh. Ano mo to? Yung pangalan mo. Awang mo yan. Basahin mo na.
Daniel.
Basahin mo na ito. Yung mga dita niya, balikan mo. Pangalan mo din niya.
Nagdala nga akong pabigo. Para sure.
So sorry that.
Pandemic bang bumagsak na?
Correct. Grabe talaga. Ito
Ano ba yan?
Oo, nilat mo.
So,
Parang cellphone lang din yun. Click mo lang ito.
So,
Wala lang ito.
just a minute guys, and I will show you the like
Ano ba yung ano kuya? Defibrillator? Ito, backslap.
Pagka small liter mo, kabalik ka.
Backslap din.
so I will see you. So I finish all this, so I will spawn on this. The tigers, haha. The tigers. Look guys, the tigers. Look, they're all tigers. Haha.
Tipong COVID na ito.
Kaya nga, nakainis na.
So cute. Lions. Look, lions. Oh, silly dog. He was escaped by this. Nana. Look. Shut up. Shut up. I'm so happy about that, guys. You can style it. So I will show you the next modern style of kitchen. I will show you the modern kitchen. Just wait. So guys, this is our need. We need some red wool or others, magenta carpet or white or carpet. We need some crafting table, furnace, chest, and brewing stand. So we just need to like that. That's a great. So that's great. So we just need first like that, and that. We just need to like that. Just need some more. I just think, like, and more. That's the first layer of the kitchen, but oh no, but something's more new, like that. Something's new. Just need to deeper, like that. I think that. Oh no. You just need like that. Be careful. You just need to do like that. Yeah. And this, the foods. Two veggies. That's all we need. And that's.
Ikaw, kuya? Ilang taon ka, kuya? 48, bata pa.
Wow. So cool, right guys? Let's go. So that's cool, guys. So I think this is just I'm gonna do for this channel. This is Minecraft part. This is the part 1 of the buildings hacks for Kawaii World. So see you at the part 2 guys. And please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please, just please, guys, please. So thank you for subscribing and liking. Bye guys. See you at the next building hack.